Does Sony Bravia have a camera? Most Sony Bravia Smart TVs do not have a built-in camera, but some high-end models and older Smart TVs may include one for video calls and gesture control. If your TV does not have a built-in camera, you can connect an external webcam for video conferencing. 1. How to check if your Sony Bravia TV has a camera. Step 1. Look at the top bezel of your Sony Bravia TV for a small lens or cover. Step 2. Check the TV's user manual or visit Sony's official website for specifications. Step 3. Go to Settings, then Device Preferences, then Camera and Microphone, if the option exists. Step 4. If no built-in camera is found, you can use an external USB camera. Second, Sony Bravia TV models with a built-in camera. Some older Sony Bravia Smart TVs had built-in cameras for Skype calls and motion control, but newer models focus on external camera support. Models that may include a camera: Sony Bravia XBR series, some older models. Sony Bravia Android TV models with motion control support. Bravia TVs with Bravia Cam support available separately. 3. How to use an external camera with Sony Bravia TV. If your Sony Bravia TV does not have a built-in camera, follow these steps to connect an external webcam. Use a Sony Bravia Cam. Some Bravia TVs support Bravia Cam, an official Sony accessory for video calls and gesture control. Connect a USB webcam. Plug a compatible USB camera into the TV's USB port and install any required apps. Use video call apps. If your TV runs Android TV or Google TV, download apps like Google Meet, Zoom, or Skype. 4th, privacy and security of Sony Bravia TV cameras. Cover the camera when not in use. Some models have a physical shutter. Disable camera access in the TV's privacy settings. Only install trusted apps to prevent unauthorized access. 5. Alternative ways to make video calls on a Sony Bravia TV. Screen mirroring. Mirror your phone or laptop to the TV using Chromecast or AirPlay. HDMI connection. Connect a laptop to the TV using HDMI and use its webcam for video calls. Streaming devices. Fire Stick, Apple TV, and other devices support video call apps. Most Sony Bravia TVs do not have a built-in camera, but you can use an external webcam or Sony Bravia Cam for video calls and other features. If privacy is a concern, disable camera access or use a physical cover.